1854, the Crimean War. What helped to drop death rate from 42% to 2%? Hello friends, Britain and France joined the Ottomans against Russia. It was one of the first modern wars, powered by railways, steamships and telegraphs. A war fought from the Black Sea to the frozen Kamchatka Peninsula. But the hospitals? Filthy, chaotic and deadly.
Then came Florence Nightingale.
No medical degree, no official title, just courage and a notebook full of observations. Using the power of statistics, she proved cleanliness saves lives. She demanded clean water, proper sewage and fresh air. She proved the real killer wasn't enemy, it was infection. She lit the way for modern nursing. Her flame is still burning in hospitals. Like, share and tag someone who's saving lives with or without title.